Hey guys, so I'm able to film 3-minute videos now, so let's film one. This might actually not be able to take up 3 minutes, but let's just try. So today I'm going to be seeing if my fidgets sink or float in the pool. I got this idea from this creator right here, love her, and I'm going to try it out. Here are all the fidgets we're testing out today. I'm really excited to see if this poppet will sink or float. But just in case it sinks, let's do it on a step right here. Personally, I think it's gonna sink, but maybe it won't. Okay, let's try. So I think the air is caught under the bubble, so let's flip it over. Oh, it's floating away! No! Oh my gosh! Guys, it's sinking! Guys, I'm literally gonna have to go in the pool. Oh my gosh, I got it! Okay. Okay guys, so it does sink. So yeah. My whole arm and feet are wet now. Let's do a DNA ball next. Okay, my guess is I think it's gonna sink. It's floating away again. So it actually is floating. So I was wrong. Let's try a monkey noodle. I think this is going to sink. And yes, I know I keep saying sink, but I genuinely think this is gonna sink. So let's just see. Guys, it's literally floating. How am I always so wrong? Well, except for the poppet, but yeah. Next up, we'll try this globby. I think this one's gonna float. Okay, it's floating. Ugh. For some reason, my fidgets always like to float away. Okay, let's take this out. Now we're gonna try an ASMR pod. This ASMR pod has little plastic beads in it, so I think it's gonna float. Let's see. It's floating. Again, it's drifting away. Okay, this definitely floats. I was right. Let's try mochi now. I think it's gonna sink, but I actually really don't know. Let's try. Oh my gosh, it's floating. Look at this sad little chickie. Okay. Lastly, we have this Nido. It's just a normal Nido, so I think it's gonna float. That's not really a reason why I think it, it's just I'm telling you this is a normal Nido, and I think it's gonna float, so here are the honors. It's floating! So most of these fidgets floated, I think only the poppets sank. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and comment if you want some more content like this.
Whoa, someone explain to me why the comments and likes are the same number. This is kind of trippy. What?
Part 2 of testing fidgets if they float or they sink. So I was going to try this one, now let's try it. It floats. On to the next one. Next, I'm trying this pink and purple stress ball. I don't really know what it's called, but I love it. Let's see. It floats. Next one. This is wacky track. I think this is going to float. Let's see. It floats. I was right. Yeet. Now the snapper. I think this one might sink. Let's see. Yep, it sinks. Next. Mini snake. Oops. Well, I think it floats now that I just saw it. Yep, floats. Now fidget pad. Let's see. It floats. Yeet. Turtle poppet. Floats.
Allô, fait que mon beau-père va nous fidgeter sur 10. Tu notes combien sur 10 cette balle? Combien sur 10? Pas trop fort, ça va péter. Mais comment sur 10?
1 sur 10?
Juste ça?
Il n'y a rien de fun avec ça.
Mon papier?
Je dirais 1,01 sur 10.
Mon tingle?
Ton tingle. Ton tingle, ça c'est pas pire. Je dirais presque 5 sur 10. C'est ça pas pire, ça.
Ah, mais tu mets pas beaucoup sur 10, là. Pas sur 5, sur 10.
Non, mais t'es en masse sur 10.
Bon, ça, mon simple dumple. Tu mets comment sur 10? Vite.
Je dirais sur 10, 2 sur 10.
Mon barbe-les-mains, j'ai plus de temps. Vite.
0, c'est plat.
0? Bye!
Oi, gente! Hoje eu vou lavar meus poppets, porque eu levei eles pra escola e eu só passei álcool gel, e álcool gel não é o suficiente. Então vamos lá. Gente, eu mudei de filtro porque esse é mais soft. Então vamos lá. Gente, esqueci o tampão da minha pia, tá lá no banheiro da minha mãe, então eu vou lá pegar e já volto com vocês. Pronto, gente, já coloquei aqui o tampão na pia. Agora eu vou encher e já volto com vocês. Agora eu vou botar um pouquinho de sabão enxugar. Pronto, gente, agora tá cheio de espuma. Gente, como eu tô gravando pelo iPad, e eu já expliquei isso no meu primeiro vídeo, se você não viu, corre lá. Eu tô gravando ele pelo Samsung, ele veio com uma capa ímã, então eu vou deixar apoiado. Desse jeito, só que vai estar no 3. Pronto, gente, agora eu vou secar. Prontinho. Bom, gente, foi isso. Tchau.
I haven't gotten a new fidget in months. Do you want to trade?
That's so small. Have you seen mine?
Oh my gosh, can I offer for that?
Sure, but you better offer a lot.
Okay, what if I offer another one of my jumbo poppets?
That's it? You better add.
I can add my popsicle poppet.
No.
Wait.
Ugh, what now?
Okay, I didn't want to do this, but I'll give you all of my poppets.
Tempting, but no.
Okay, I can add my dimple fidget spinners.
You still need to add.
I ran out of fidgets to give, but I can give you my squishmallows.
I can tell you're really desperate, so I'll accept.
Oh my gosh, yes! I finally got my dream poppet, but I think I got scammed.
¿Será cierto lo que acabo de escuchar? ¡Despierten! ¿Quién es Slime? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa, Slime? Acabo de escuchar que nos van a tradear a uno de nosotros. No, ¿por qué? De seguro me tradean a mí. Ay, yo no tengo ni qué preocuparme. Obviamente soy su favorita, se nota el tiro. Sí, obvio. ¿A quién creen que van a tradear? Sinceramente, yo creo que unicornio. ¿A mí? ¿Cómo te atreves? Obviamente te tradearán a ti, eres como muy... Bueno, ya sabes. No sé, yo creo que tradearían a Squishy. No lo sé, la verdad... A unicornio. Ay, son todas unas tontas.
Hey guys, so I have this broken stress ball, as you can see right here. And I have a few balloons, so I think I'm going to be making a stress ball with it.
I'm going to be using a white one. I'm going to do my best to squeeze this into the balloon, and I hope the balloon has the same texture and consistency as it did in the actual ball. I'm going to use a pop tube as a funnel. I'm getting some of it in, and it's going right down to the balloon. It worked for a little bit, but it kind of made a mess, so I'm going to continue to put some more in, because there's only a little bit in there. The balloon filled up to the amount I wanted, but I kind of made a mess, and my hands are so glittery, so I need to go wash them. I washed my hands decently enough. Now I just need to tie that, and then after I tie it, I'm probably going to wash the balloon. R.I.P. that pen A. So I got the balloon all put. I think I put a little too much air in there that I wanted, but it still feels pretty nice. I'm going to go clean up the balloon and cut the top off. Washed it, but I'm going to have to clean up that mess later. Baby, feels nice.
What I have to offer today is my timer, my bike chain, my marble mesh, my peach squishy, and my simple dimple. What do you have to offer? I'll offer you my squish toy, my light up ball, my fidget ball, my squishy thing, my mochi, my puzzle ball, and my favorite poppet, and my last mochi. Please accept. I don't know if I'm gonna accept. I really want you to add one more thing. Please, that's all the fidgets I have. Well, then I will not be accepting. I guess you don't get my limited rare poppet. Whatever, I have like 18,000 poppets at home. Anyway.
Me, please? Sure. We're gonna spin this up and see which one you get. Let's mix it up. Oh no. I know which one I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick this one. Let's see what you get. I'll shake it so you can hear. Sounds like something in there. Let's open it up. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! You got these 2 rings. This silver one and this golden one. Well, that's what you get. We'll see who's next. There's only 4 eggs left, so hopefully you're the lucky winner. Okay, bye!
I just got these new fidgets and I'm going to see if people have some offers. Trading really cool fidgets. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Whoa, those fidgets look so cool. Can I please offer? Of course. I'll give you this cactus poppet and this pink needle. Sorry, but that would only be enough for this one. May you please add? I guess I can. I'll give you this amazing cupcake poppet, this pineapple poppet, this crab poppet, this blue heart poppet, and this fidget spinner dimple. That's a really nice offer. But I really like these fidgets. Maybe add 2 more things. Okay. I'll give you this plastic poppet and this fruit needle. OMG, you added so much. Here you go. I can't believe I got so many fidgets. Thank you so much. I love this so much.